Can I put on my dress now?
Yeah, you're done.
Oh, really?
I don't know why you don't want to have a steam bath.
Oh,
you always avoid that part of the massage. Why?
Okay, maybe when next time.
It's alright. It's alright. You can go there.
Let me put on my clothes.
No. Don't put on your clothes. No, don't wear your clothes, honey. You should be going unshaved on the street like a lunatic that you are. A decomposed element. Look at you.
Merit, can you just allow me to do my job for once?
Oh, you still have the mouth. You still have the mouth to talk. You still have the mouth to talk, right? And you are not ashamed of yourself. So this is what you do. You go about showing yourself to married men, trying to seduce them. Didn't you know Daniel was married? Didn't you know he was married?
Please, I'm so sorry.
Psychopathic bastard. Daniel, you mean you have a mad doll for a wife? Eh? I am so concerned about you. Did she just call me a man?
Merit, can you just...
Oh my God. Because I'm not saying... Because I'm not saying... You still have to... Get your hands off me! Get your...
Merit,
calm
down. This is my office.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
You don't do this. You don't do this. Don't do this. What's all this? Then just respect yourself and know that this is a private one where I do my work.
Welcome, wifey.
Thank you, my love.
You stayed so long at the market.
Well, my dear, things are very, very expensive. I am telling you, if you're not judicious with the money you went to market with, see those market women, they will finish you.
You might be right, but you need to consider these market women. You know they buy at high prices because of the high cost of the economy.
Yes.
You should consider them now.
We do consider them. But we as well expect them to consider us. It's not also easy to make this money, you know. It's not as if we just plug money from the trees. Maiden, please give me the bag. Help me bring out the things from the trunk. I am damn tired.
Welcome.
Thank you. Understand what kind of work he's doing by this time.
Wait, are you really going to follow my husband?
I don't understand. What sort of stupid question is that? Do you know what the time is? Tell me why a proper, sensible married man will not be back to his house by this time. Look at the time. I need to go and see what he's doing.
Just be patient with him. He might be busy with his clients. I know he likes to satisfy his clients now. Just understand.
Yes, I know. He likes satisfying his client. That's what he does, right? Mr. Satisfactor. I'm not surprised. You should defend him.
It may be traffic too.
Traffic? What stupid traffic? Will you take your tacky-wacky self out of my sight, please?
Just relax. You know,
Can you get out? If possible, open the gates. Make yourself useful for once. Please.
Consider your baby. It's okay.
Yeah, you're done.
Oh, really?
I don't know why you don't want to have a steam bath. You always avoid that part of the massage. Why?
Okay, maybe when next time come.
It's alright. It's alright. You can go there.
Let me put on my clothes.
No. Don't put on your clothes. No, don't wear your clothes, honey. You should be going unshaved on the streets like a lunatic that you are. A decomposed element. Look at you.
Mary, can you just allow me to do my job for once?
Oh, you still have the mouth. You still have the mouth to talk. You still have the mouth to talk, right? And you are not ashamed of yourself. So this is what you do. You go about showing yourself to married men, trying to seduce them. Didn't you know Daniel was married? Didn't you know he was married?
Please, I'm so sorry.
Psychopathic bastard.
Daniel?
You mean you have a mad doll for a wife? Eh? The bullshit. I am so concerned about you. Did she just call me a man?
Mary, can you just...
Oh my God. Because I don't started... Because I don't started coming. You still have to... Get your hands off me! Get your...
Mary, calm down. This is my office.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Please. You don't do this. You don't do this. Don't do this. What's all this? Can you just respect yourself and know that this is a private one where I do my work?
My phone. My phone here. I'm sure I left my phone here if I went to the kitchen. I'm sure Mary left on my phone. Huh? She doesn't want me to call my brother. I just hope that they handle this thing amicably. I don't want them to fight, but why does she have to go on my phone now? Mary. Oh God. What do I do now?
Honey? You're welcome.
You're still here? I thought I told you to leave here this morning. What are you still doing here?
You don't expect me to leave when we have not finalized on our discussion this morning.
Now look, Cynthia. There is no discussion to finalize. I have told you countless times that I'm not ready to be a father. Anyway, you can pin it on one of your numerous male friends. I do not care. Don't try to pin it on me.
John, are you saying this to me? You know how much I love you. Ever since we started this relationship, I have never met any other man apart from you.
Cynthia, how can you claim to love me when all you're trying to do is to pin a pregnancy on me? Even after I've told you that I'm not financially stable enough to be a father, neither am I ready to be a husband or get married. Why is it so difficult for you to understand? Why?
Why do you always think that money is the basic thing in this relationship? Why?
That nonsense. What was the meaning of that nonsense? I can see you're not just stupid, you're also delusional. This is the last time I'm going to discuss about this. Get rid of that thing in your stomach and stop trying to pin it on me. What nonsense? You need to rest. What nonsense is this?
For goodness sake, Daniel, what the hell is your problem? What is your problem? I need to understand it. What is it? Get your damn hands off that phone. Pick up the bag. Pick the damn bag. I said pick up my damn bag. What are you speaking? Pick up the bag. Can your father and your mother afford it?
I'm just respecting my brother.
That's still talking. Back to you. I need to understand something. Now I'm back to you. What was the meaning of that scenario? Now, what was both of you exhibiting in there? It has gotten to the point that you no longer massage people. They now massage you, right?
Can't I do my job?
Are you not?
Did you just slap my...
If I hear one pin from your mouth, I'll just tell you to stretch down, feed your soul to the oceans. Can you imagine?
I'm just respecting my...
Shut the hell up! With her wig like some mad person from a hobo. Please, and I'm back to you and ask you a question. What the hell are you doing with that lady? I need to understand it.
Can I have my phone at least?
I am waiting for you upstairs. And you know what that means. War!
But I collect my phone from your wife. What is all this now?
Can you imagine? I am waiting for you. You know what I'm expecting. You're speckless.
But I collect my phone from your wife.
Don't worry, I'll collect the phone later, okay?
But are you sitting down? I need my phone now.
Jessica, do not worry, I'll get your phone, okay? I believe one of the symptoms of pregnancy could be this horrible. And you can see, it is taking place in my wife's life. So, please, do not take whatever you've witnessed to heart, okay? I'll get your phone.
But I don't understand what you are saying. You need to divorce her. She will kill all of us. She will kill you. She will kill me. We need to just leave this woman alone. I don't even understand this thing. I need my phone.
Please, I beg you, do not, because of this one mistake, spoil everything we have. Okay? We have that connection, we've been working together, and it's been turning out fine. Please, I beg you, I'm so sorry about what my wife did tonight. Huh? Please. Yes. Yes. Are you still going to connect me to the governor's wife?
I don't even understand. I don't even understand. Why are you begging this girl? Now I need to understand it. Why are you begging her? Eh? Why are you begging her? So after the embarrassment she gave you today, you still have the guts to call on the phone and beg her? What kind of style does she give you in that your spa that I cannot give to you as your wife? I need to understand it. What exactly do you even want, Seth? Today you will eat me up. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me up. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. What is it, Seth? What was that I did not have? You say this time that you want? Maybe you want this time. Should I give you this time? What do you want?
Hey.
They have pressure. Yeah, Precious. Where are you going to by this time of the night? Dressed half naked.
Mama, I'm going to club. Eh? Mama, why are you still up by this time of the night? Eh? You didn't hear Are you not sleeping?
You said club?
Yes, now.
I believe you are going to the club with Agozi.
Ha! Agozi? Ahamadu Ahammo. Eh? Is that the name of a thing? Animal place?
Eh? Why are you saying that about Agozi? The man that loves you with all his heart.
Loves who? Eh? Which heart? Love. Mama, Pico, I'm going to club, eh? Forget about Agozi. Agozi, oh, mother, Pico. Mama, I'll see you when I come back, okay?
Babe, your food is ready. Come on, eat.
Cynthia, I don't know why you're acting like you care. Why are you being a pest? Acting like a rubble rouser, like you care. I don't like it. Leave me alone.
Oh, baby, you know I care so much. You know I care about you. My love. You've been drinking. Why are you drinking yourself to stupor? Why?
Cynthia, are you by any chance calling me a drunk?
No. I can never do that. I'm only... Baby, please come and eat.
Wait, are you calling me a liar?
I never...
Wait a minute. Are you calling me a liar? Huh? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? You're calling me a liar in my house? Come back to me again. Stupid.
God! What have I done?
I have told you countless times to flush this child you're carrying in your stomach. Or better still, you look for another father for it. I am not ready to be a father. Or you leave my house.
And my answer still remains same. I'm not aborting my baby. My mother is aware of my pregnancy and she's expecting you to come and pay my dowry.
Do you know why I'm looking at you like this? It's because I'm running late. If by the time I return, you've not flushed this thing in your stomach, you will see the other side of me. Don't dare me.
I only love you. Is it about love? Baby, what's wrong?
I know, I can't find...
One more word from you. I swear I would use this knife and tear you to shreds. Now take this phone.
What is it?
Take the phone! Call those your clients. Those women you've been sleeping with. Claiming to be giving them spa services. Call them on the phone and tell them it is over, that you are a married man and you have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Go ahead and do it. You can have the phone. I am sick and tired of you accusing me wrongly all the time. Excuse me.
Daniel! Daniel!
Jessica, can you imagine? My wife went to my phone contact, singled out the lady's number and asked me to call them one after the other and tell them it is over between us. I don't understand, like I am dating them or something.
Brother, every time. But why would she even make such a demand?
Do I know?
Such an impossible demand for that matter.
I have decided to pretend that what happened back in there never happened. This is your phone. You can go ahead. Call all the women you have. I don't even know why you're still with me. It's quite obvious you love those women more than you love me, and you know it. So go ahead and stick with them. I do not want to ever set my eyes on you again.
Baby, why are you talking like this? Maybe you should understand me better now. Aside my work, I have nothing to do with those ladies.
Now then, the last time I checked, I am an adult. Not a baby, you stupid babysitter.
Marital, you're getting this thing all wrong.
Are you what? Are you stupid? No, what are you trying to do?
Please.
Who are you to speak when I am speaking? Are you not? Don't you know your class and level anymore?
Baby, can you just... Baby, we shouldn't be starting our day like this. That's good. Jessica, I don't have anything to do with those girls. They're just my clients.
But that is your wife. She has a very bad attitude. She's bad. I don't even know what you're doing with her.
Please, I'm sorry for that, okay? Just don't take it to heart. Alright? Let me even know if I can...
Where are you going to? Every time you're explaining yourself to her. Brother! So, brother, she's still not taking your calls?
She's not. Obviously, she should be one place crying her eyes out.
Then let her cry. Crying doesn't kill. If not, all the babies all over the world will be dead by now. But I know you now. Very soon you'll run after her. Of
course I will. She's my wife and she's pregnant. Okay? I should check on her and make sure she's okay.
But you must be... But I cannot even prove me wrong. But that will me. Brother!
Sister. Honestly, if John doesn't want the child, let him be. Let him be. Have your child and raise it yourself. Besides, you have us, your family.
The thing is, I love John so much. I can't go without him. I love him so much that I can't leave him. I'm sorry.
You're madly in love with someone who cannot take proper care of you. I don't get it. What kind of love is that? Eh? No, now, what kind of love is that? Just look at the kind of phone you're using. Android phone. Don't be saying a better version. Now, old version. Eh? He cannot even afford to buy you a good phone. Eh? Okay, fine. Let's not even talk about a good phone. Eh? Let him change your wardrobe. Let him buy you good hairs. Eh? Let him change your wardrobe now. Let him change your life. What is there now to love about such a man? No, tell me.
Precious. Precious. There is more to life than material things. Yes. I love his heart and not his wallet. Okay?
Oh, yes, he keeps on hitting you like a punching bag at every given opportunity. He has turned you to punching bag. No, tell me what is there to love about such a man? A man that turns you to a punching bag.
It's enough.
Eh?
Enough.
See, let me tell you something, sister. Hold on, let me tell you. It is better for you to cry in limousine, in a private jet, than to cry inside the keke. You're too beautiful to be. Oh God, that guy is messing with you.
Precious, enough.
He's messing with you.
Please, don't add to this, okay? I'm going through a lot.
Thank God you know. You are really suffering, sister. You are suffering basically. I'm telling you the honest truth.
Hey! Take your bag and go home. Leave my shop!
And when they tell you the truth, you will not accept.
Start going!
What is you?
Go and help Mama out.
I hope you love your hair.
Of course I do.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Please do come back again.
No problem. So these are the hairs I brought for revamping.
Oh,
and
sorry,
I'll come.
Sorry.
Sorry, that's my sister.
Anyway, thank you. Like I was saying, I'll come pick them next week. So send me your account details and I'll do the transfer.
I will definitely do that.
No problem.
Thank
you
you
for your service.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Sissy, did you see that lady just left the shop? Hey!
So classy.
Hey!
At times I'll just ask myself, God, why Cynthia? But you know, I'm not jealous.
Sissy,
Grace is not the same.
I swear. Sissy, I must tell you, see, that lady, her lifestyle, everything is my everyday prayer. Did you see the way she dressed? The handbag, the hair? Hey! Chimo, everything speaks of me.
Precious.
Hey!
Your papa game. Is your mother rich? Why you don't feel hang your handbag where your hands will feel rich? But man, that girl, my dear, is not ordinary. It's not ordinary.
I swear to God.
Oh, because what is she doing? What is she doing for a living? Nothing. What to be her business? It's not as if she's working in a mega company. My dear, nothing what you fit tell me. That girl is doing her good.
Does it matter, sister? She's fornicating and making mega money. Any other thing does not concern, does not matter.
She's committing sin. Fornication.
You and John, are you not fornicating? Are both of you not fornicating?
My dear.
So what are you saying?
John and I, our relationship is different from this one.
Oh.
You know now, we'll soon get married. And I'm carrying his baby. So you cannot compare. Biko.
Fornication is fornication, no matter how you paint it. See, as long as she's doing it for the will of money, my dear, may she carry the go.
Precious.
Yes, now.
Mind yourself.
Owoni Koko, that's what Yoruba people say. That's how Yoruba people say it.
Go!
Koko
is enough.
Yeah. Come and make my hair for me now. Let me look good.
You will pay.
I will not pay. You have to.
Hi, Daniel. Okay, so how may I help you? I beg you pardon. Please get out of my phone. Nonsense. Come on, get the hell out of my phone. What nonsense.
Hi.
Yes? What are you doing here? When your mates are busy working?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I bought you this. You will like it. Check it and know what's in.
Oh God. Agozie, are you this lazy? When your mates out there, men, they are busy hustling for themselves. Working so hard. Working so hard to be better than where they were yesterday. And you're here. All you know how to do is to think of how to buy a woman gifts. Are you okay? Are you normal? Agozie, have I not told you times without number to stay away from me? I am not your type. I am not your class. You cannot even afford this head I am wearing. Are you
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just doing this because I love you. I really love you.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You love me, right? And you want to be with me?
Yes, just give me a chance in your life. I'll show you how much I love you.
Okay. There's something that's been bothering me these past few days, okay? I know you can do it for me, right?
Okay.
I need an iPhone 14. Not 15, no. Before you say that Precious is a very greedy person. Because I know I am not greedy. Okay? We can start with that. Then you subscribe for my Netflix. With that one now, we can start, dating. And until you leave my life alone and don't be a stumbling block to my potential suitors. I beg, get out of this place. Get out too! Carry your rubbish kit and get out of this place. See, Nika.
You mean I should get out?
No! Bring bed and come and lie down here. You're asking me, you mean I should get out? I am not your type. I am not your class. Dirty boy, see Pam. You won't date Precious. You need a fear.
Didn't you see her?
I did, but she bounced me out. She doesn't want to see me because according to her, she said I'm poor and not her class. She even told me to buy her iPhone 14 Pro Max and even subscribe her Netflix before she can be able to date me.
You mean Precious said all that to you?
Yes, I don't know. Did anyone offend her today?
I don't think so. You don't have to worry, okay? You're a good man. Don't worry yourself. I'll talk to her once I get home.
Okay, thank you very much. Please help me and give this to her.
I should give this to you, Precious.
Yes, I will call you to know if you have spoken to her.
It's not a problem.
Thank
I
you
will
very
talk
much.
to her, I promise.
Thank you. I will call you.
You will definitely.
Thank you.
usually come back by this time. What happened? Why is your face like this? Jesus Christ. You have been sacked. Why? What happened? What did you do?
What else can it be? If not for your bad luck. Ever since I met you, you've not brought anything positive to my life. Just pure bad luck. Just avoid me. If that you love me, you love me. What kind of love is that? But I will love you there.
Baby, as I was saying, you don't need to be too hard on yourself. What happened is not the end of your life. Okay? There is this saying that so long as there is life, there is hope. To him that is joined with the living, there is hope. Because a living dog is better than a dead lion, and you know.
Cynthia, are you by any chance trying to insult me?
Hello. There is no how I will insult you. I'm just letting you know that you have to calm down.
Wait a minute. You just called me a dog. And you sit here and try to deny it?
I didn't call you a dog. You're just an angel.
Now listen to me, Cynthia. If you think what happened today will give you the leverage to sunk your claws on me, then you must be joking. It will not work. Better leave me alone right now. Leave me alone. This is the last time I'm going to tell you this.
Sorry. What is this? Why can't you see the sign that I love you so much? What is wrong?
Chris, you wouldn't believe my wife asked me to call the female contacts in my phone and tell all of them to stay away from me. And I did. Honestly, while I was doing that, I felt like a fool. You know, when you're talking to people who you don't even have anything to do with. Like, you know, I'm trying to imagine how they will perceive that call. Like, is this guy out of his mind or something? That's the truth.
Dan, let's take this straight. You mean your wife actually forced you?
Yes. And that is why I called you. Praise, please, I need you to help me do some damage control on
these ladies, especially Cindy and Bisola, you know they are my strong allies. They are my strong connect. They are the reason my business is moving well financially. Please, I need you to help me talk to them. Tell them that, it wasn't intentional. That's just find a way. My wife pushed me into it and all of that.
No. When I mean no is my no. Come on. These girls she's talking about are the ones that brings the funds that you uses in taking care of her. Okay, you want us to do this just to impress your wife, Merit?
Praise. I don't really know what to say. But love is my only crime. And I can't go back. I love Mary to a fault.
Your phone is ringing, please.
Hello?
Sister, do you know how much hookup girls make in a night?
How am I supposed to know? I don't do hookup. This is the only shop I have. I beg, Precious, leave me alone.
See, let me tell you something. A proper hookup girl makes 30k per night and it comes with food and drink. You see, you multiply it by 30 days. You see that these girls are living above poverty. Yes, now.
So, what are you waiting for? Why not join them?
See, sister, I am looking for a strong pimp. Yes, so, and if I see one, I'm going to grab them with my 2 hands like this. Okay, for that, I will grab them with my 2 hands and legs.
Excuse you. What is pimp?
Sister, you don't know what is pimp. Okay, now let me break it down for you. A pimp is someone that arranges girls for big men. Yes, so, men that matters, men that has money. Men that eats money, that dine with money. That is what a pimp is. You gotta go. Someone like me now. A high-class chick like me.
Precious, I beg, just let me be, okay? I'm not interested in this your prostitution talk.
I beg you.
My job is this job.
If I hear, me and you will be prostitute if you know no make you know now. Forget all this painting. We are prostitute.
Precious, I am your elder sister. Whenever you're in my shop, mind the way you talk. People are watching.
Okay, fine. I'm going to bring down my voice. I'm sorry. Better. So tell me. It's been long I heard from John. So how is he?
John is there. Ever since he lost his job, he has not been fine. Always bitter, drinking to stupor. My dear, it has not been easy.
John is one with a bitter soul.
Hey, don't talk about my man.
I don't know how you manage to love him. See, let me tell you something. Sister? See, when they're talking about mental matters, John don't reach anywhere at all. You see, the way I dumped that one, I throw him one side. You saw the way I pushed him out of your shop that day. That is how you're supposed to be pushing John. John does not have money. Agozie is broke and useless. That is why I have to push him away out of my life. John, you need somebody that will come into your life and change your life. That is what you need. Agozie is empty konkom. And Agozie, you're not even supposed to be talking about him. He's a stupid person. He's broke.
Just slow down. I know all of this is because of Cindy. But my dear sister, grace is never the same. It can be equal in friendship, but when it comes to grace, it can never be equal. So take my simple advice and work on yourself.
God, that disgusting millipede. What? That placenta? Oh God, from a dead dinosaur, that thing That bitch had the guts to lay her filthy, tacky-wacky hands on my face. I don't blame her. It's not her fault at all. It's that thing that I got my man, and I'm waiting for him.
Merit, what was the meaning of what you did with Ruth? What nonsense! After I allowed you, called them to humiliate me, you went ahead to fight my client. What's wrong with you?
Are you not? No, are you crazy? Have you got bunkers? Have you lost it? So you still have the guts, you still have the panache to walk into this place to talk back at me after your stupid bitch, your stupid concubine had the guts to fight me at the mall. Are you crazy? Have you listen to me? Let me remove my glasses so that you know I mean business. Listen to me and listen very carefully. The last time I caught you with a woman, what did you tell me about this your client? That she is nothing but a client. What happened? What happened, you cheating bastard? What happened? All I ask from you is to be a good husband. But all you do is frolic around, go around the whole town, sleeping from one girl to another. You should be ashamed of yourself. You're a disgrace. Look at you. This is all you have to do to pay me back for all I did for you. You know what? You're going to beat me today. It's either you beat me or I beat you. Useless man. Look at you. Tell me a man at your age that has this kind of bad head that thinks well. You just don't think. You don't think. You don't make use of your time. All you do is gallivant around the whole town and chase women. Will you get the hell out of this place? Are you crazy? Are you not? What the hell are you doing? Get out of this place! Get out!
Can you just calm down?
You knew your brother was cheating on me, yet you did nothing about it, right?
Can you just relax? Hear him out now.
Do not tell me to relax. Don't.
But you know the nature of his business. And he needs those ladies. If he loses those ladies, he will lose his job.
Oh. Coming from an one on the village tree, trying to tell me how to, minimize and work on my husband's income, right? Who the hell are you to tell me how to? No, you want to tell me about my husband's income? Are you crazy? Get the hell out! Take her out of my sight! Look at her! Idiot! Go ahead and keep cheating! That's all you know how to do. Wearing some earring like some female gorilla. Son of a bitch! Bastard! Look at them. I picked them up from the gutters to help your life. All you can do is to cheat on me. Bastard! Idiots! Fool! Meet me! Son of a bitch! Can you imagine? That's thing I have to touch my skin!
Baby, it's been more than 20 minutes I told you food is ready. Please come and eat before you get cold, please.
You can take the food to your mother. Since you're so daft enough to not see that I'm thinking, enough for you to take your pathetic self out of my sight.
Joe.
Yes.
Joe, why do you hate me this much? Does my presence irritate you? Like, do you derive joy in hurting me all the time? I only care about you. I only love you.
Now listen to me, Cynthia. You better leave me alone before I regret my actions this night. Leave this place now! Better. Nonsense.
Praise. What do you want me to do? No, tell me, Praise. What exactly do you want me to do? After all the insult I got from Daniel's wife, Daniel still had the guts to call me over the phone, warning me not to come around him. Fine. If that's the way he wants it, so be it. But I am taking my friends with me.
No, Cindy. You can't just do this to him. He's already regretting everything. If you should take this decision by withdrawing your friends, not to patronize his business, automatically to collapse. Think about it.
Who cares? Who cares, Praise? That is his problem, not mine. Let me tell you, no one eats his cake and still expects to have it. It's either you eat it or you keep it. Praise, do you even know the level of embarrassment these people gave to me? Do you? And then you expect me to pretend as if nothing ever happened? No, Praise.
I perfectly understand.
No, you don't, Praise. I will never forgive Daniel. Neither will I forgive his fast-tongue wagging wife.
Hello, Auntie. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Do I know you?
Ah, no, you don't know me, but I know you. I am your biggest crush. Hey, sorry, my name is Precious, and I live in this street. Hey, I've been admiring you for a very long time. A very long time, eh? See, I said to myself that I want to be like you. I want to be like you. I want to be dressing like you. I want to be carrying this designer bag, shoe, your dress, and your hair. Hey! You look beautiful. I want you to introduce me to your sugar daddies. Your Yahoo big friends. So they can help my life. So they can polish my life the way your life is polished. You look beautiful. I'm telling you the truth.
Young lady,
Ma?
Listen to me. I don't know what you're talking about or who you think that I am. But I will tell you, I am a working class lady and I do not have time for this.
I know you will not admit it, but I tell you, your secret is safe with me. Even this tree that you're seeing will not even hear our secrets. I'm telling you, just tell me. I no go tell anybody for this life. Not just me and you. I beg. I won't shine like you, I beg.
Did you not hear what I just said? I said that I'm a working class lady. So please, don't you dare come across me like this again.
Auntie.
And for your information, I do not want to see you around this vicinity. Never again. Do I make myself clear? Excuse me.
It is fine.
Precious, you don't need to stress yourself. Cindy says she doesn't want to have you as a friend anymore. Then you move on.
You don't seem to understand it. Cindy spoke to me like she gave me the worst insult ever today. It's crazy.
Precious. Precious, be calming down. Your temper is too high. See, as a sister, as your elder sister, okay, the only advice I can give to you is, if you want to fight back, then you have to be successful. That's the only way for the revenge.
I am going to make it big in this life. I swear to God. I am going to make a name for myself. I'm telling you, I'm going to make big money in this life, sister.
Precious.
I'm going to make it though.
Precious, relax. Be calming down.
What are you doing here? Uncle, what are you doing here? Get out! Are you stupid or something? Get the hell out of this place! Are you mad?
I was just leaving. She's really bad.
Get out before I push you!
Let me tell you, this is the last time you ever see me again.
You're still here? Is that a threat or what? Don't I fire you and that your empty threat? Can you imagine? Let that threat
place again.
Why are you embarrassing me here?
I'm gonna shoot you.
My friend, keep quiet! I'm talking to you!
Hey,
Hey, shh! Keep quiet! Hey, get inside! Go inside the shop! What kind of embarrassment is this?
As expected, Cindy is very furious. Even after I pleaded to her to calm down, yeah, she insisted that she would take all her friends out from the spa. Dan, you know what that means?
Honestly, that's my fear. She's pulling out all her friends. Praise, I don't even know if me or my business can survive this. Honestly, I am confused. I don't even know what to do.
This is more reason you need to talk to your wife. Take out time. Discuss with her. At least she knows the nature of your job. That same your hustle is what gives her that extravagant life she's living, floating and all that. Will she be able to bear the aftermath? Eh?
You know, Merit, was regular in my spa. So I believe her fear is, that maybe one of these girls trooping in and out for massages, could just get at me and seduce me into having some things with them. But it's not that way. I have given her words of affirmation, trying to convince her, like, I'm not going to ever, cheat on her. I wasn't a cheat when I was single. I wasn't into girls that much. Talk more of now, I've chosen her to be my wife. But she's not understanding it. Praise. Yeah, you need to...
Dan, I've never known you to be a man ladies. Okay? So she herself should know better too. I was even surprised when I heard you and her relationship is kind of, I was like, could this be true? Come on.
More in my head. Look at...
Does it mean that Cynthia cannot serve me good food in this house? Has it gotten to the point where all she can give me is tasteless and useless food to eat? Problem. I know what to do.
Babe, you did not eat your food.
What food are you talking about? Is it the tasteless food you just served me? Is that what you call food? And you expect me to eat that shit?
I beg your pardon. The food I made, you called it tasteless. John, why can't you appreciate my little effort? Why?
Now listen to me. If the food is not tasteless, like I said, go in there and enjoy your food. Leave me alone. What is it?
Ah, stop nagging.
Then get out.
Stop.
Get out.
Fuck you. Get out. I
don't blame you. I don't just blame you. No problem. We shall see. Wait, what do you... What is that? What is that in there? Oh, you're locking me outside my own house! If I pass through the back and come into this house, you wouldn't like me! Open the door!
My love, believe me, I wasn't with any woman. How can I be with another woman when I have everything I want in a woman in my life? Look at you. From head to toe. Huh? Full option dinawai. Complete being. A woman I love with my whole being without reserve. Huh? My morning star. I can't possibly in my life cheat on you. Please believe me. People. Right? Please believe me. I can't. Baby.
Get your hands off me, please. You professional he-goat. Liar. If you were to be a prophet, you would be a fake prophet.
Baby, Baby, it's me.
Namuga.
It's me, your husband. Your man. Baby, I believe me, baby, I am for you.
You were a cheat. That's what you
doing
were.
My job.
What stupid job? I need to understand it. So because you now run a spa, you should be frolicking and messing around with your clients. No, what is it that these your clients them have that I don't give you? Even when I am pregnant, I still give you monkey in the shadow style. I give you the uptight ceiling style. I give you under the duvet style. What do you want? Is it doggy? Is it gorilla style?
Baby, far from all of that. I love you for you. Okay? I can't even look at any other woman. It is not possible. Okay, I'm only doing my job. Okay? When you met me, baby girl, it's this same job I was doing. I'm still on it. All I need to do is do my work diligently, perfectly, so that my customers will remain and can't do without me. And that is how I keep getting paid.
In other words, you should be touching every woman. No, I should fold my arms and watch you massage every woman. Touch them. I shouldn't feel jealous. I shouldn't do anything about it. Do you even know what I go through every day, knowing that my husband is at a spa, touching one woman's waist or another?
But baby, it wasn't a problem when we were still caught.
That was then. Now we are married.
Same character, baby girl. Same man, you know. Okay? After all, when we started dating, was there baggages on my side? Come on, think about it. Okay? Please, come on, baby girl. Smile for me. Alright? Please.
I don't understand. Can't you be romantic? You can't make me or kiss me, so I should just smile, put a smile on my face, Abby.
Maybe I now know you want to give me that sailing monkey shadow style. Oh my goodness, baby girl.
No, you did not. Are you serious? Yes, I understand. Let me call you back, please. I'll call you back. Yes, I'll call you back now. Yes, who is this? I asked you a question, bitch. Who the hell are you?
What are you doing? Are you answering my call? What's wrong with you? Hello?
I am sure he's one of those useless girlfriends. She heard my voice, that's why she refused to say a thing. But God will punish her.
Hello, ma'am. Good day. It's my wife. She didn't know it was you. Okay. What time do you want to see me there? Alright, I want.
That one, Nico. Look at him. End time fornicators. End time fornicators. That one, Nico. Go and meet her. Finish her up.
Merit, you have to take it easy on yourself. Okay? Stop taking my calls. One day you will take away my job from me and you tell me how we fit in this house.
Oh, please. You're supposed to be eating this, not that. You kidding me?
Come on, baby. We mustn't be quarreling every day in this house. Must we quarrel every morning before I leave the house? Come on, you should take it easy on yourself, okay? Look at your condition. You don't need this. Alright? Come on, take it easy on our baby. Come on. See, baby girl, you know I love you so much. And I can never, ever cheat on you. Please, just stop all this. Right? Please. This is my car keys. Let me go. Okay? Thank you, darling. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back, okay? Soon.
This man is trying me. This man is driving me.
Well, I don't know why your maca free me.
Is this where your work is? I need to understand. You again. You again with my husband, Onyala. You again.
You need to understand what's going on first.
Come here, let us do it together. Let us do it.
Easy with yourself. Easy with yourself.
Calm down, now. Let me into us. I will enjoy that. Run! Daniel! As for you, you will come stop. You will come back and meet me. Yes, come back. You will come back and meet me. Now take this stuff out of my sight. That's why you're confusing life. You don't even know the particular woman that has the bag. Ashawo! Olosho! He won't contact. You still set of people. How will you know who has the bag? Have a punish your generation. I'm waiting for you. You will hear from me. You will hear from me. Daniel, you will hear from me. I will show you share the answer. Jesus. I can't believe you're married to one of the daughters of Jezebel. Jesus. No! Not anymore. Excuse me.
Hey, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about everything. Please, I beg you. Please, I'm so sorry, okay? I beg. Do not do this to me. I have invested heavily in this contract. Please, I beg you. Please. Hi.
Hello, beautiful angel. How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you walking on this hot sun?
I'm just fine. It's just that the sun is not friendly.
No,
Good afternoon.
I know. Good afternoon. Why not hop in? Let me take you to a place where you can cool off. The sun is not friendly at all.
Actually, I'm heading home.
I know. Listen, I don't bite. Okay? I just need to take you to this place where you can cool off, you know. Take 1 or 2 bottles and get to know each other. Nothing else. By the way, my name is Kelvin. What about you?
Precious. I'm Precious.
Precious? No wonder you're this beautiful. You know, you have a biblical name. The Precious in the Bible seems to be the most beautiful. What do you think about that?
You're very funny. It's not all Precious that is beautiful, okay?
But listen, the one I'm talking to right now is the most beautiful. Look at her height, look at the figure, the everything, the shape. Oh, come on, baby. Hopping. Let's go, just go. Let's go, baby.
Ah! God damn it, this woman don't pull out again. Ah! Oh God.
Here we are. Welcome to my small.
Call this small.
It's very small.
It's cool. Yeah. Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
Benson.
I know they that mood. Good afternoon. Papa, this woman don't pull out. Woman was supposed to pay me, don't pull out. Ah!
Okay, just 1 minute. Maybe let's go.
Is he okay?
Yeah, I see. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. Come.
Alright.
Let's I'm coming, huh?
Lead the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your house is cool.
Like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Whoa. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you so very much. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Make yourself
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Oh my God!
That's the spirit.
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah, baby. Make yourself comfortable. You like my house?
Yeah, it's nice. It's cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good. Make yourself comfortable while I attend to that business upstairs, okay?
Okay. No problem. Just take care of business first.
Boxing, okay? Oh, enjoy yourself, okay?
Sure, I
I'll
will.
be with you soon, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. Ah. Listen, what's up?
Kevin, who is that girl?
Forget about that girl. Let's talk about business. What happened?
Omo, it's my client. Oh. That woman, she called me a scammer. After all the efforts, after all the hard work, after all the bombings, bro.
But what did you tell her that made her pull out?
Nothing. Nothing out of the ordinary. You know I would never do anything to jeopardize this business to my clients. You know that.
Okay, Benson, what's up now? Benson, this is the third time this woman is calling you this name. What's up?
That is my problem, bro. That is my frustration. Can you imagine? This is the third client I'm losing within a space of 1 month. It's becoming too much. Tell me, Kelvin, is there something I'm not doing right?
Hold on first, let me talk to her.
Oh.
Rabushi. Kandusa. Lebrei la mante. Hey. Oh God. Bido shika. This is strange.
What you wanted has finally happened. I have lost that big opportunity I invested in. Now I've lost it all. Maybe now I'm home. You should take care of me, feed me and pay the bills. Oh yes.
So you still have the guts to talk? Did you know you're a very stupid man? You should be abolished from the surface of earth. You shouldn't be breathing and sexting.
Will shut up!
Don't you dare! Shut up again! Don't you dare!
I said shut up!
I said I will not shut up!
Marital, haven't you done enough?
This is just the beginning. We shall see. And you better take your carcass to the gate because that's where you sleep at night.
This is 5. This is what's going on. It's not.
Hey, baby.
Hi, dear.
I'm so sorry for taking too long, okay?
As long as you're doing it for the money, okay?
The money is here right before you, baby. This is your own share. Yeah. So whenever you want to go, maybe you can even get ready now. Let me see you off.
Okay,
I'll
get ready.
Yeah, hurry up. Let's go.
Alright.
Okay?
Thank you.
Hurry. Let me drop you off.
Okay.
Wow. So, you're trying to tell me that a man gave you this huge amount of money for transport and for keeping you for like hours, 4 good hours like you said, without touching you.
Exactly what I'm telling you, sister. I'm telling you. You see, these are the type of men I have been craving for. And not the likes of Agosi, who has nothing to offer except empty promises of love. Who love her? Now love I go chop, now money I go chop. Don't be love.
Like, Precious.
Yes, sister.
Precious, this man in question, what does he do for a living? Because it is strange to me for a man to give you this kind of money without having anything to do with you. It's not possible.
I don't know, and I don't intend to know either. Yes. See, let me tell you. My major project right now is to make him mine. That's all that matters right now. All that matters to me right now is just him. I am waiting patiently for his call. And when he does that, I will make him think of me alone.
Precious. And you don't know this man that you're tripping for. I mean, a man that gave you this huge amount of money. Are you okay? Precious?
Yes, I know him, sister. I know him and I know his name. His name is Kelvin. And I also know where he lives. Yes. But I'm not going to tell you. You know what? See, this guy is loaded. When I mean he is loaded with money, he's simply rich, oh.
Precious.
Yes. And guess what? He is generous with his money. Everything
is not all about money, okay? John, stop!
What is it?
I need my money!
What is it?
John, give me my money. The money you took from my handbag.
Which money? Look, you better take your filthy self out of my way. I am running late for work. I don't like this.
John, I'm not stopping you from going to work. When you see that money, you will give it to me. I worked so hard to save that money. You're busy giving other girls money. How many times have you given me money in this house? How many times have you taken care of me?
Look, Cynthia, I can see you want to insult me this morning. Anyway, you can go ahead and insult me. But remember, I hate disrespect. I won't tolerate it from you. Leave my way.
That money you took is my business money. You have to give it back to me. Give me back my money.
Cynthia! Cynthia! You better respect yourself and leave this bag alone. Allow me leave this house peacefully.
You have to give me my money.
Leave this bag.
I'm not leaving the bag.
Leave this bag. Leave this bag. You want to see what I can do? 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 Look at this fool. You always want to see what I can do in this house. Are you mad? Huh? How dare you hold my bag? Who do you think you are? Try this again next time. Every day you will stress me in this house. Are you stupid? Try it again next time. See what I will do. You fool. Yes, friend. Do you know my fiancée left my house today without letting me know? Like, we just had a little argument and the next thing she was gone. No problem, I'll keep dialing her number. It's okay. I'll keep trying the number.
Hey!
Wait, you
John! Yeah.
What is it?
Why do you beat her?
Mama!
Do you want to kill her?
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Why do you beat her?
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Mama.
If I did not leave you, do you want to beat me?
Did the daughter tell you what she did?
Don't you have conscience?
Did she tell her she was calling me a thief?
Don't you have conscience?
Are you aware she's calling me a thief?
Conscience,
Mama?
John, I said give one Mama, You are evil.
Mama, leave me alone.
In the very wicked.
Oh, you now go and discuss our personal matters
with your mother, right? John.
That's what you do. Eh?
Okay, try to also.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
If I did not leave you, what will you do?
Mama, look.
Will you beat me?
If they sent you this afternoon, tell them you did not see me.
I know, Ajogi. Do you want to beat me?
Mama, leave me alone.
Beat me now.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. You see, your mother is embarrassing me.
Hey,
can you see?
What's okay?
Yes, dear.
I don't understand. No, I don't really understand.
Where did you stop? Please.
What the hell is going on here?
Where did you stop? Continue now.
Osi, continue.
Oh my God.
Osi, continue. Will you get up from that place? Get up from that place, my friend. Are you mad? Continue what? With a married man, are you okay? Are you alright?
Madam, I'm just here to do my job. I don't know.
Eh? I paid for this. You paid for it?
Of course.
What is going on here? No, I don't understand.
What do you think that is going on?
So you left the massaging you're supposed to be massaging your client to be fingering her?
I beg your pardon. Who is she?
Are you still speaking English for me?
Merit!
Are you mad? Are you not? Is something wrong with you? Are you still talking? Wait! You are still talking? Are you still talking? Are you still talking?
For when I want to just stop it! Yeah! Oh my God!
Are you still talking? Oh my God! You want to see my dog? Let me in! Oh! Then who is she? Are you mad?
Merit!
Hey! Are you stupid?
Merit!
Are you crazy?
Merit!
Are you mad? Oh my goodness! This girl is lying me. You don't know me, oh. You don't know. You don't know me. I will show you madness today. Look at the man dog. You're still slapping me. Are you okay? Where do you think you're going to Daniel? Daniel, come back here. We're not done. I need to understand it. What was the meaning of that shenanigan, that bullshit you did in the office? I need to understand it.
Merit, for how long will you continue to do this? When are you going to stop? When? Huh?
Oh, God. So you had the guts. You had the temerity to finger your colleague in my presence. And you still have the guts you still have the panache to reply me.
Merit, how can you just sit and manufacture some stupid thoughts in you?
Oh, I
how
am now,
can you say I'm
I
fingering
am now,
my...
no, I am now Dangote manufacturing cement. No, tell me, explain to me, give me the scientific explanation that your client was mourning loudly. What were you doing with your client? I need to understand it.
Come on,
You think I'm a daft?
Merit,
You think I'm stupid?
Merit. Someone can just moan out of pain.
Oh, really?
Pains can make someone moan.
I guess she's so
yes,
good.
not necessarily when I'm fingering someone.
Oh, she is so good because she's not pregnant. She was giving you all different warnings and styles.
I was doing my job. I was massaging her muscles and nerves.
Mamba say to God who made me, I get one compete. Come look at me. I'm waiting for you. Oh God.
Hi, Darren. I'm fine. Are you in the office? Okay, darling. I'm coming right away. Okay. Now let's see how long your stupid wife will be jealous. Let me see if you are going to resist this sexy body this time around. When I arrive, they will know that Ogechi has arrived. Let's see.
Why are you calling, bro?
Yeah, that bitch I came back with the other day. You know I didn't do anything with her because of you. So I had to give her money to go back.
Let me ask you, what about Juliet? I mean, aren't you guys together again?
Juliet is ungrateful and she lacks manners.
Well, that I've always known. See that Juliet? She has no iota of respect for anyone or anything. And now you, Kosan, you gave her that hand.
Hi, beautiful. How are you? Please, can you come to my house right now? Just speak any available Thursday. I'll be at the gate waiting for you to pay. Yes. Okay, please hurry, okay? I'll be waiting. You know I love you, baby. I love you so much. I've missed you. Alright, I'm waiting, baby.
Still the new girl?
Yeah, the new girl, bro.
Well, I give it to her. She's more beautiful and even much more mature than Juliet.
Of course, Juliet is a motherfucker. Always nag everything, always nagging. I don't like that. Come on.
Something I've always known. That's why I just know it now.
Oh yes, we run everything. We run full package, then we run per section, depending on what you want. Okay. No, my equipments are all intact. Yes, and the full section comes with full body steam. Of course, I guarantee you that. Yes. Perfect. And my steaming machine is on point, like much on point. Okay, are you coming? You're coming today? Alright. I'm at your service all day. Thank you very much.
Hi, handsome.
Hey, okay.
So how has it been over here?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm missing your handsome face. Besides, I heard your wife has been making things a bit difficult here. Is she such a sore loser or something?
Okay, watch how we talk about my wife.
Oh, please.
Mind your words.
So you are trying to tell me that you enjoy being caged by one woman or something? So are you telling me you will let go of this?
Okay, have you been drinking today?
Come on. I've not. I'm as sober as a newborn baby. Anyway, I want a massage. A deep massage.
Oh, okay. Let me start from the waist.
Oh, from the waist?
Just start.
Oh, God. Chimo. That was this now. Is it a new way of doing it or something?
You're welcome, madam. So, what session are you looking for?
Oh my god. Oh. Down. Oh my god. Dan, why did you stop? Come on, I was enjoying this now. You would have gone deeper instead of stopping halfway. Let's continue it, please.
What do you mean by I should go deeper?
Dan, come on. I just want a happy ending and that's all.
Listen, okay, if you want happy ending, I can call someone who will do that for you, okay?
Come on, Dan. It's you I want. I don't want anybody except you.
Okay, I'm married and I love my wife, okay?
Please. Dan, come on, stop this now. I'm not saying you should divorce your wife. All I want is your cock inside me.
Come on. Just put yourself together, okay? I do not want to embarrass you. Take your clothes and leave. Rather, you still have 30 minutes of steam bath, right? Complete your session and go.
Dan, I'm not saying you should divorce your wife or something. Are you going to let this pass?
Okay, stop. Stop it! Right? Take your clothes and leave. Rather, you have 30 minutes of steam bath. Complete your session and leave. Please.
I should leave.
Leave. Okay, stop!
It's fine. It's okay. What you actually mean I should?
Please.
It's okay. Like, Dan, you mean you...
Please. I'll be waiting outside, okay? Let me on the steaming for you. 30 minutes. It's off. Please.
Are you not going to help me inside?
Sorry. Can you just walk in, please?
So you want to be caged by one woman, right?
Hello, ma. Can you complete your session? Steam bath remaining, please. 30 minutes.
Precious, where are you going to? Dressed like this?
Mama, I am going out. Eh? What is wrong with what I'm wearing?
Everything is wrong. Let me ask you, do you take a look at yourself in the mirror before going out? Don't go to Tide. They can do no oniro, they akola kola. Ha!
Mama, I look like a kuna. Mama, see, I'm going out there. I might not be coming back tonight, okay? So don't wait for me. Biko, nakbo.
Alright now.
Precious!
Hey, Mama, oh, yeah.
Precious! Come back here.
Ngwano.
Precious!
Aya, Funu.
Come back here.
Bye.
Naga. I said come back here. Hey. Where it goes to that you want to go and spend the night? Can't you look for a tangible handwork to engage yourself? A responsible handwork. Hey. I'll be talking.
Kev, I'll be upstairs.
You're supposed to be here earlier before now. What happened?
I'm sorry. I had to finish everything I was doing. At that time that you called, I was very busy. So I have to finish up with everything I was doing at home. Okay? Because I don't want any side distraction.
Now listen to me. I hate lateness. Yes. If we must do this, you must keep to my time. Not to do things in your own timeline. I won't take it because it won't work. Did you hear what I just said?
I'm very sorry. It will never happen.
Sorry for yourself.
You want to ask me to sit?
There's a seat there. Make yourself comfortable.
Are you not going to offer me something to drink?
Oh, sir, there's a drink and there's a glass cup there. So serve yourself.
Is everything okay? Because it's not like you.
What do you mean, is everything okay? I've been here waiting for you and you're here telling me is everything okay? Am I supposed to be smiling with you? Of course you can say this is 3 p.m. and it's time for work. I can't leave my work and attend to you. It's not possible. Maybe you can go upstairs and take care of yourself. Thank you.
India still remains the best for master's degree in medicine now.
Jessica, I understand what you're trying to say, I understand your aspiration, but the cost of studying abroad now is on the high. You have to look for one of these, our, government universities. There are a couple of them that are doing well.
Daniel! You cheating bastard! Look at you! You're nothing but a hypocrite. Daniel, what is this?
Come on.
What is the meaning of this?
Baby,
what is this?
What
the hell is this? What is a woman's lipstick stain doing on your clothes? I need to understand.
Baby, I can explain. It's not what you think.
Oh,
right?
really? Tell me what you think. Wow, nice.
You see,
I'm listening.
I was working on a client.
Oh.
She tried to force herself on me. I resisted and that was how this
You must
happened.
really think I'm stupid, right? You must really think I'm a daft, right? What do you even want from this woman?
No.
What do you even want in a woman that I do not have? Even with my pregnancy, I still give you doggy style. I give you bed style. I give you all the styles. What else? I even give you gorilla style.
I'm contented with all of that.
So what else do you want from them?
I didn't cheat. I'm not cheating on you, darling. Jessica, I didn't. Alright? It's just one of my clients, you know all these girls, they can be crazy.
I fucking know what to do.
Brother, this is so obvious. Are you sure you don't do this one?
I did not, honestly. The lady was trying to force herself on me. I resisted. But how do I... You know, I'm just...
I don't know if she will believe you. I don't know if she will believe you.
My dog. No, let me talk to her, okay?
When you come back, let me help you.
My dog. Baby, please. Let this not get to you, okay? I want to explain it up. Let's just...
Brother, your phone! Brother, your phone!
Don't tell me that! What kind of nonsense is this? Can you imagine? You have the guts to have a lipstick stain on your clothes and you're there telling me bullshit! Don't you dare come near my door! Are you crazy? Go back to those your clients! Good for nothing he-goat! You're a bastard! You're a buckery and you're a disgrace to manhood! Idiot! Buffoon! Hippopotamus!
Kelvin, what's up?
Good, what's going on?
I'm okay. Are you still on this with the clients?
Yeah, I need to convince her. You know the matter now.
What about your girl?
Oh, she's inside the room, sorry.
Wait, you mean she's been in your room all this while and you're down here? Why?
Bro, we're talking about Benjamin here. All I need is money. Women is the last thing on my mind, bro. Pursue Benjamin and forget about women. Next time, if I tell her to come and see me again, she'll come on time. Did you get that? And whenever I come and put your eye in so that you can see what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
You won't be asking me questions.
Not again. Not again. You can't sleep. You can't sleep at this night again. Not again. Sean, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing this?
You know you're my sweetheart.
Yes.
And I love you very much.
Uh-huh.
And you know I can do anything for you.
I know.
Wait, I have something for you. Here you go.
Excuse me, John. What is the meaning of this?
Is it not enough?
No. What do you want me to do with this? No, don't say anything. I told you I needed 75,000 naira to change my hair and look good for you. And all you could do is to give me 25,000 naira after having me all night.
Really?
Look, babe. No, I know I promised to give you 75,000 by the end of the month. But they have not paid me. See, this is what's going to happen. Just manage this for now. And by the end of the month, I will still give you 75,000. I promise.
Like different 75, like this one is not among.
This is just for your upkeep. Come on, babe.
You have to be explaining. Tell me in time. Let me know.
I hope you're happy now.
Yes, I am.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, I have to run along now. I'm running late for work.
Alright.
Alright? I'll see you later, okay?
Alright, see you.
Have a lovely day.
Alright, bye.
Babe, go shower, let's go out and eat something, okay?
Yeah.
I know you must be hungry.
Yes. A delicious meal is good after making up, you know?
Oh yeah, you're very correct.
So I'll suggest you give me money. Let me go to the markets and prepare something for us, something delicious. You love it.
Oh, you cook?
Yes.
Whoa,
I love cooking. And you know where I'm from, Imo States. You know us now. Our cooking skills is top notch.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm loving you the more, baby.
You love it.
Come. Let's go.
Sure. You want one for the... Oh, baby, wait, you're going to fall me. Okay. Ouch! Guys, are you?
Yeah. Here you go. There you go, baby.
I'm coming. You can go. I'm behind you, okay?
Really?
Yeah, baby.
That's my baby. Oh. Food is delicious. Man, it's very difficult. Yeah, baby. This is for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
I do.
That's good. Enjoy yourself. Oh, food is delicious.
Very nice.
You like it?
I like it. It's nice. Very nice.
What's that? What's the meaning of that? Huh? Listen, if you don't know how to eat, you better take this thing out of my sight. Are you mad?
Baby.
Are you that local?
I'm sorry, baby. It will never happen again. I'm sorry. I'll reach gently.
And let it not happen again.
Okay.
Let it not happen again. Did you hear me?
you make use of my verse? Are you mad? Are you stupid? No, come here! Are you stupid?
Bro, you see that precious girl? That girl is a big turn-off. She talks too much. Come on, damn! What's that? What's that? Come on, it's a big turn-off, man. It's a big turn-off. Huh? You talk too much, I dislike you.
She talks too much.
Yes!
Wait, let me get something. This same Precious. I've been thinking say the girl get sense. So.
Omo, that girl no get small packaging. Oh. She doesn't know how to eat. She eats like one village girl. The only thing she knows how to do is sex. When you talk about sex now, bro, she will satisfy you with that. I can't deal with that. I cannot deal with that shit. Come on.
Women. That gender will stain your white.
I'm telling you, bro.
Okay.
Huh?
Hi, Benson. Good morning.
Save it, I think.
Are you ready to go? Let me drop you off. Good.
I'll be waiting outside.
Good, I'm coming. Go. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. No. I can't sell it for that amount. Okay, let's... Well, that one is fine. I'll send the 70k. Thank you, eh? Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Alright, bye.
Why are you looking at me like that? Can't you go and serve me breakfast? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Can you take your beautiful self out of that seat and go and get me breakfast?
I know beating me is what gives you pleasure. You can go ahead and beat me. Beat me to your satisfaction. I don't care. You see that kitchen? I'm not entering there today. And by the way, why didn't your girlfriend give you food? You slept at your place, squandered the money you stole from me, and you expect me to give you food. Shame on you. Shame on you! Nonsense.
I know you're looking for who to kill you, but you will not die by my hands. Nonsense.
And let me remind you that my quietness is not stupidity. Do not push me.
Are you threatening me in my house? Wait, Cynthia! You're threatening me in my house! Instead of to give me breakfast, you're busy threatening me in my own house! I'm waiting for that your bad girl part. Nonsense! Just imagine. Yeah, and so what if I went to see a woman? What kind of nonsense is this person who carry somebody and keep in this house, and the person will not give you peace? In fact, you have to give me food in this house. You have to give me food in this house. It's my house.
Cynthia,
Mama,
are you saying that you have not seen your sister since yesterday she left the house?
Mama, I have not seen Precious.
Yeah.
If I have seen Precious now, there is no how I will allow you to be walked up.
Okay, call her. Because I've been calling her line since yesterday. She's not picking my call.
No, don't let me call her.
No, listen to me. You know how much I hate repeating myself. Take that food to my house. My boy is there to receive that food and pay him. What's your problem? Yes, I ordered 3 plates.
Hello? Yeah, hello, Cynthia. Good morning.
What happened to your manners? Can't you see I'm on call? What's your problem?
I am sorry.
Shut up! Will you shut up?
I'm supposed to go somewhere.
And I said shut up! Useless girl.
She picked and ended it.
And what did she say?
Wait, there's a message. She said she's on her way home. So you have to relax.
Okay, don't worry. Let me go to the house and wait for her. Oh, Moniata.
Mama.
She will tell me where she spent the night.
Mama, can you just
come? I'm supposed to go.
Just relax.
Precious
will give me high BP.
No, let me go and meet her.
She's not the only daughter you have.
Don't worry. Let me go and see her.
Mama. My precious.
Judith, I'm so sorry about everything that has happened. You know, my wife has gone haywire since I married her. I don't know what came over her and all of that. You know, she suspects every of my move, honestly. It hasn't been easy.
It's okay. I understand. But you have to make her to trust you. Because that's the basic of every relationship.
I understand. Thank you for your understanding. I appreciate. How is okay? I believe she will, be keen to nail me down.
Yeah. But you have to look for a way to make up with her. Because she has vowed to cut every ties that is between you both. And you know if she does, you will be the one that will lose, not her. Because she makes the supplies for you.
Please just find a way and talk to her on my behalf, alright? I'm sorry for everything.
Okay, I'll try.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Hope you're fine.
Yeah, trying to be good.
Again?
Mama,
what happened to your face?
Hi.
Get me again.
Mama, I'm tired. Let me go in and rest.
Tell me what happened to you. Tell me what happened to your face. Why do God do to am forever?
Mama, Otenku, Adeku offer n'elu.
So you can't have what happened to you? Tell me, I'm your mother.
Mama, I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't even have strength.
Hey, would you want to be here? Hey.
You mean he slapped you? That was why you ended the call on me. Then he compensated you with an expensive phone. Also gave you 300,000 and you're happy.
Yes, of course. I ought to be happy about it. Because that is the kind of man I have dreamed of. Yes, a generous man to a fault. I went to configure my phone. When you guys were calling, that is what I was doing. Yes, so.
Precious. And you're not scared of what you'll become tomorrow?
Why are you sounding like this now, sister? See, let me tell you something. It is better for me, Precious, to cry in a private jet that is flying than to laugh inside keke. Me, Precious, I cannot laugh inside keke. Hey, hey.
Precious, my sister.
See, Sim.
I want you to stop seeing that guy. Please. I'm already in a toxic relationship. And I wouldn't want you to be there too. Please.
What? I should leave Kelvin. Have you left John? Eh? Someone that is spending over $1 million plus on me just in a day. But John, he will beat you blue and black, morning, night. And he will not do anything. He will not even give you anything. Talk more of to even change this your phone for you. Eh? And you're asking me to leave Kelvin. For what now? Have you left John? Eh? Go John. I cannot, sister, don't tell me you're being jealous. Eh? Are you jealous of me? Don't be envious of me now. Eh? You're supposed to be happy. Be happy for your sister. Eh? It's better for you to cry in a private jet than to be walking under the sun. Other man on your skin, just like just look at your hair. It's not even looking good at all. Eh? John is not taking care of you. You see? And you're asking me to leave Kelvin. Onyego. Hi! Onye has to go to millions. I cannot leave Kelvin. No. Also, you have to see him from morning till night. I will remain there. I will remain there.
Precious.
Hmm?
You have been talking, I've been quiet. It's not that I'm stupid. If not for this pregnancy, I would have left John long ago.
Oh. John.
Okay. John wasn't like this when I met him. And I believe he will definitely change. So if you want to talk to me in my shop, lower your voice.
If I hear say John change, I better forget this talk. Let me tell you something. See, it is better for you to cry in a private jet.
Enough.
Eh? Leave that in Kanka John. Enough of what?
Leave me the way I am.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh.
Thank you.
We're about to leave, eh? See what I've got.
Hey, come back here, please. See me on your back, how I don't understand. What are you saying? Eh? Why did you say you're going to dress like this?
Baby, what do you stand to gain by always pretending not to remember some things I tell you? Huh?
You say you're going to wear. What did you say? You're going to wear just like this.
Didn't I tell you I was going to see Santos, my friend who came back from the UK? I even asked you to join me. You said you don't want to go. So why are you asking me and complaining?
Hey! So because you want to go and see your friend Santos that just came back from UK, that's why you're wearing a short that is even showing your full legs, your sexy legs that can be able to seduce all those young girls on the street. That's what you want to do, right?
Come on, baby. This is a casual dressing now. I mean, there's nothing here.
You're not going anywhere. When you're done ranting, go back inside there.
Listen, baby, I don't just want us to start now, okay? Seeing my guy is very important to me. He has been a good guy. In fact, we haven't seen for ages. I need to see him. Trace is even coming along with me.
Wow. Wow. Ambulance. Beautiful. But I am telling you that you're not going anywhere. In fact, if you have to go and see your friend Santos, then I am coming with you.
But you said you weren't interested.
And I changed my mind. Why do you have a problem with it if you don't want to go see another woman? Why do you have a problem with it?
Okay, we can go like this. You're well dressed.
Why should I go like this? I am a 21st century woman. Hello? Are you kidding me? I have to represent.
It is just a casual outing.
Meanwhile, I need you to come inside. Come help me pull my panties down because you know I'm heavy. I can't move. I can't bend.
No, I won't take it. I can't take this rubbish anymore. Can you imagine the bragadash? The bullshit? What a fucking catalog. I can't take it. What? Why are you not saying anything?
Let me go back.
My friend, will you come back here? Go back to where? Go back to where? You're not done with embarrassing me? Are you not? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torture. Come back. I'm not done talking to you. What is your problem? I am waiting for you. We shall see. We shall see in this house.
What is love without trust? What is love without trust? Who am I without you? I stand by the promises I made to you.
Bia, you witch. Why are you looking at me like that? Haven't you seen a tall, dark, handsome man before? Huh? Nonsense.
Look at you. Rejected imbecile like you. You dare call me a witch? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
What did I just hear you say?
You heard me right. You're drunk.
Oh, okay. Today I will show you how a drunk behaves. Since your mother did not give you proper home training, I will help her and train you. Mo are a drunk, eh? I'm a drunk. I'm a drunk, eh? I'm a drunk. Nonsense. You're calling me a drunk in my house? How dare you call me a drunk? Nonsense! Eh? You. About stupid pregnancy. Look, this is the last time I will take any insult from you in this house. I am still the man of this house, and you cannot challenge me and go free. How dare you call me a drunk in my house? And you're still claiming right. What nonsense! I will just elbow you now and scatter your life! You want to come to my house and be calling me a drunk? I'm even talking nonsense in my house! Try me again and see. We will know who is the drunk and who is not the drunk! Nonsense! You're calling me a drunk in my house!
Hello, Cynthia.
What? Cynthia, are you okay? Jesus Christ! Yes, I am coming. I'm coming to the house right away with a taxi. Okay. Are you okay? Just look for a way to run out of the house. Alright. Okay. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Yes, precious.
Come! Mama, let's go. Go to where? Cynthia! John is killing her!
Oh my God!
Yes! Let's go. Jesus!
Cynthia! Open this door!
Cynthia, you there?
I'll break this door!
Are you there, Cynthia? Open this door!
John, Mehuza!
Open it!
John, can you bring one?
If you kiss my sister,
John, can you bring one?
you open the door!
John, Mehuza! Open it! Open it! Do you want to kill my daughter? Do you want to kill her?
Can you imagine?
Open this door! Open it!
Just find a way to come out
Can't you stay in your house, Mama? Can't you stay in your house? Let's go, Mama. Let's go, Mama. Okay, don't do. I know what I will do. I know what I will do to you people. You think you will get away with this? You cannot get away with this. Watch me and see. Officer, that's him. Hey! That's him. Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest him.
Why?
Officer. Arrest him.
Officer. I'm innocent.
Policeman.
What did I do?
Arrest him.
Arrest who?
What is it, officer? You want to kill my sister? Arrest!
Officer, what did I do now? What did I do? What's this?
Ewu, you want to kill my sister for me?
Benson, please. Can you help me talk to your friend Kelvin? I'm tired of him beating me all the time. I'm not a punching back now. In any slighted provocation, he will just hit on me. I'm a woman. He will do this thing one day and kill me. Please. Please help me talk to him.
It's okay. Alright, it's okay. In as much as I'm not holding forth for him, in as much as I do not support beating women. I mean, Kelvin has complained about you severally. He has complained bitterly about your attitude.
I'm a changed person. I'm a changed person. I'm not who I used to be. Please.
It's okay.
Just talk to him for me.
It's okay. Okay? It's okay. I will go talk to him. Okay? All I want is for peace to reign.
Thank you.
Alright?
Thank you
In
very
as much
much.
as you're giving me your word that you're a changed person.
I'm a changed person. I'm telling you the honest truth.
Okay. It's all good. Relax.
Thank you.
It's a good thing he's at home, so let me just go upstairs, talk to him.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bye. Don't worry, alright?
Thank you.
What are you still doing here?
I'm sorry I was late. There was an emergency I was handling. I'm sorry.
How many times have I warned you that I hate lateness? If you know you cannot come, why not tell me instead of wasting my time? Precious.
Baby, I know, but I was busy at the police station. That's why I couldn't meet up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please try and understand your baby. Please. And I've missed you.
Don't even come close. Go back. Stay back, please. If you want to apologize, you kneel down and apologize. That's how responsible women do. Did you get that? So kneel down. Did you hear me? Yes. You kneel down and raise your two hands up. Did you hear what I said? Good. So do it.
Just to show you how sorry I am. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I promise you I will abandon everything I am doing to come see you. Please forgive me. You know I love you. I love you so much.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I do.
You love me from your heart?
From my heart.
Then why the lateness?
I was busy at the police station. That's why I couldn't meet up. I'm sorry.
Okay, remain here. By the way, I have something I'm doing upstairs. Okay? I'll get back to you. Okay?
Maybe you mean I should remain here?
I said, remain there. That's a punishment. You hear that?
Okay, I will do anything for you.
Okay.
Dan, is that what happened?
Honestly, I do not know how to handle this situation better. I have tried my possible best to make my wife understand that I love her so much and can never cheat on her. But she's not understanding because of her insecurity, or should I say, low self-esteem.
Why would you think so? Your wife is beautiful, intelligent, even educated. From the way she's going, let her not cut this chain of friendship. Because the friends you make today are the connections for your children tomorrow.
You're right. But you should understand she's my wife, not a girlfriend.
I know. That's the more reason you have to be very serious with her. Because if anything gets to happen, she will have to blame you from now till the world ends. And she herself is the one to suffer it most. Yes.
How is Santos? Is he still in town?
Oh, yes. We waited last night for you, but anyway, you should be in his room sleeping in the hotel.
Honestly, I'm so sorry about what happened last night. I know he will be so angry at me.
Oh, no, not at all. Because I told him you are so busy with something important. Yeah. It's okay. Just calm yourself down, okay?
Oh my God.
What? Precious, you're still in the kneeling position. No, you've been here for like 3 hours now. No, this is unacceptable. Kelvin! Kelvin! Yeah. Calm down, bro. Please. Kelvin, yeah. I went up there to plead with you, to sort things out amicably with your girl. And it's been 3 hours and she's still kneeling down. What is this, bro?
How is it your business? Listen, are you the one dating her? Or will you tell me what to do?
Oh, my apologies. I didn't get the memo.
Oh,
I had no idea I've become an intruder. Well, I'll leave you two to read then, since it's none of my business.
Beautiful.
Babe, no, no! Babe, Doctor, please, let's go to hospital!
Baby, please, I am sorry. I promise I would never punish you again, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
I'm very tired.
You're very tired? I'm sorry.
I'm hungry and tired.
You're hungry? Just let me call my dispatch right now. Just mention anything you want to eat at all. What do you want to eat, baby? Babe? What do you want to eat? Just tell me. Is it fried rice and chicken? Eh? Is it fried rice and chicken?
Fried rice and chicken.
Okay, fried rice.
It's juice.
Oh, juice, right? Is it cold or hot?
Very cold.
It's very cold, right? Yeah. Boy.
Sis? Sisim.
What is it?
I want to tell you something. You see, Kelvin, I know he might be a little aggressive, but he has a large heart. And he's the exact kind of man I have always wanted. A man who knows how to take care of his woman. You know?
Precious.
Sisim.
So, you prefer the so-called Calvin? I mean, you prefer the way he maltreats you, beats you up in the public, treats you like an animal. You prefer that to your happiness. Precious, can't you learn from my mistake? Or do you want to learn yours in the hard way? Is that what you want?
I beg, stop it. I don't understand. You want to compare my Kelvin with your John? That evil John? It's not possible now. Eh? So tell me, sis, has John ever taken you to a 5-star restaurant? He has not done that. He has never in his life taken you to a 5-star restaurant. Okay, let's talk about him spending 20k for you on a date. He has never in his entire life done that. Eh? He has never. Eh? But Kelvin knelt me down for over 2 hours and took me, Pre, to a 5-star restaurant and bought me food worth 100k. You see? 100k! As I was even coming back, guess what? He transferred 50,000 naira to my account. And you expect me, Pre, to leave such a generous man? You know, the possible. I will not leave him. I will even hold him tight like this.
Do you know you're very stupid? You have lost it all. If not that you're my younger sister, I would have dealt with you. But you know what? I will leave it under the carpet. But I just want you to know that grave you're digging for yourself, if you don't take time, you will fall into it in a hurry.
Maybe you want to fall into it. Well,
don't mind her. Don't mind her. She wants to live a life that is more expensive than her.
Oh.
I've never seen somebody, Nadia Roro, that chooses to have every good thing on this earth. But only my daughter that decided not to work. But she wants to have everything for herself. Precious. Precious someone. Precious someone. Listen to me. Stop fooling yourself for all manners of useless and baseless excuses just to justify your stupidity. Go out there, where they are working. Go and look for something doing. Engage yourself in something tangible.
Mama, what is it? Eh? What is it? Am I complaining? No, tell me, have I ever come to you and complain? What is all these things now? Mama, see, I am going to do anything for the money. Yes, so if he likes, let him tell me to kneel down for 100 hours. I'm going to kneel down for 100 hours. As far as it's giving me money.
My friend!
I am
Shut
going
up!
to do it.
Will you shut up!
She doesn't used to be a word.
I've said it all.
Very stubborn rats. Spot rats.
Na gbakwa iloko nye ndụmọdụ. Ọ mara asụ ọsụ n'ikwe. Ọ mara asụ ọsụ n'ala. Ọ kwụrụ adị aka onye kwụrụ ya.
Only the reason so that it will be painful. She will feel the pains.
Talk to her. She's your sister.
Mama, you are the cause of all this.
Go talk.
She's a sport brat. You caused it. Precious this, precious that. I don't blame her.
Wow, this looks so great. Whoa! Look who we have here. Darling, you're welcome. Come on. Are you okay?
Awesome, hi. Who is this decomposed element?
Come on, baby.
Who is this whore? Awesome, come on, baby. Are you alright?
Bro, who's this lady and why is she calling me whore?
She's my sister.
It's not even up to 2 days. 2 days that I went to Kano for a program. And you already had the guts, the panache, to invite a retarded Olosho into our matrimonial home.
Watch your words, alright?
Hey, what's up? Get up! Are you mad? Which condition? What stupid condition are you talking about? What are you doing in my husband's house? What are you doing in my husband's house? What are you doing?
Easy. Oh my goodness. Even mind you.
She's my cousin. She stayed in Brazil. She just came back.
Oh my God. Why is she behaving like a wild animal?
Hey, you did not tell me that she was your cousin, your sister.
You never listened to me. I was trying to call your attention to.
He went there, go.
You need to calm down. You need to relax.
Look, I'm not like that. I am not like that at all. See, I am a very loving soul. You will love. See that? You can see I'm a lover person. I love people. They did not tell me. It's not a pregnancy. I don't know what.
Girl, you're something else. Please, give me peace.
I'm sorry. You need to relax. I'm sorry, I didn't know. What do I prepare for you? I can prepare fried rice and chicken. Hello? Wait! A cappuccino, coffee. Oh my God. You did not tell me. You did not tell me that she was your cousin and your sister.
Come on, baby. I called you. Remember, I was trying to explain, to tell you my sister is in our house. But he cut off the phone. He couldn't even allow me to say a word. Huh?
My waist.
You see what I was saying earlier? Oh, sorry. Sorry, no, I'm not done. Just sit first. Sit, easy. Wait, hold on. Okay, please sit. Huh? Please sit.
Sophie, calm down.
Don't tell me to stay calm. I can't be calm. Don't tell me to calm down. Did you see what happened in there? Did you see what she did to me? She attacked me. Oh my God, did you even tell her I'm the only child of my father? Oh my goodness, look at what she did to me. And you want me to be calm? I can't. I've lost it. I've lost my cool. I can't find myself. Jeez. I was so scared to my stomach. Wait a minute. Oh my God. It has to do with this country. You mean anyone can just wake up and take laws into their hands? Back in Brazil, you can't do this. It's not allowed. If you have a problem with anyone, you call the cops, not to exhibit violence. This is too much.
Sophie, have you ever heard the phrase that love is jealous?
I have. 1,001 times I have. That doesn't justify one being rascal and prone to violence. With this kind of attitude, my darling, she might kill someone and go in for it. She can go to jail for maybe life or a very long time, you know.
Just relax. Just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. You're getting me mad. Please. Ah.
Butu, calm down.
Excuse me. Didn't you sign a prenup? I mean, prenuptial agreement with your husband when you guys got married?
Prenuptial? No, we did not. Can I sit down?
Please sit.
See, I am really sorry for the way I reacted. But put yourself in my shoes. Coming back from a trip, seeing your husband with another woman, how would you feel? Please, forgive me. In fact, I did something that you're going to love. I took my time to go through use Google, you know, to find out the very delicious and wonderful meals that you people eat over there in Brazil. So I was able to make a brigadeiro and moqueca. You will love it. Moqueca and brigadeiro. Okay. Come, let me give it. Come and try it. That is the amount, something that you people use to spend money on. You will love it. Hey, my sweet sister, my sugar, my pepperoni. Hey.
Yeah, sorry babe. Hello pretty. How are you doing?
Get lost. I have a boyfriend.
I should get lost. But we are not with any guy. Just give me your number. I will send you 20k immediately. You want me to send you the 20k?
You have to send it before I give you my number.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't mind. Let me open my bank app. Okay? You can put your account number.
Okay.
Yeah, just put it. There's money there, so I can easily send you 20k and have your number, okay?
Alright.
Okay. So, Precious Godwin, right? Okay.
Please get lost. My boyfriend is coming.
Your boyfriend?
Get lost! Can't you hear it?
You don't want the 20k again?
Jesus Christ, can you just get lost? Baby.
Who's that guy I saw you with? Because I saw you giving him your number. What's the guy?
He asked for my number and...
And what?
I didn't... Jesus! Baby!
Go inside the car! Go inside! Move!
Baby!
I said go inside the car. Baby. Move inside the car! Move it! Move inside the car, idiot! Have you seen what's the car? Move it! Are you stupid? You're very stupid! Go inside it! I know go inside. Come on! Baby,
I did not give you my number. I swear. I did not give you my number.
What is happening? It's okay. Don't this shit. To leave my house. It's okay. That is all my fault. Let's go. Go upstairs. Take out my killer. Kevin, no. Don't touch me, my seat.
Oh no, they need to run out of the truth. Oh, it's not even the truth. I didn't say anything.
It's okay. Now listen. Listen. I'm going to go out there and I will try to talk to him, okay? Now please do me a favor. While I am talking to him, do not come out. Please, just stay, okay?
I didn't say anything. Please don't say the truth.
Oh, I don't know.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? But you know what you did was wrong. Eh? If I didn't react that way, that means I don't love you. Okay? You know how much I love you, baby. Is that right? Please, I don't want anybody around my woman. Okay? Please, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Guess what? Guess what? Babe? Guess what? I bought something for you. You like it? Yeah, look at what I bought for you. Guess you like it. Come on, can you cheer up? Cheer up, baby, now. Stop. You like it, right? Check. Baby, check now. Let me show you this one.
I like this one.
Like it?
Yeah.
Pink is my favorite color.
Look at this one again.
I like that one too, but this is my best.
Oh, you prefer the pink, right?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Oh! So you're okay now, right? We
fine.
don't try that till next time, okay?
Why won't I be worried? No, tell me one good reason why I should not be worried. Look at the window. Have you even seen the time? No, look at the time. I have been calling your brother. He has refused to pick up my calls. When I start now, you will say that it has started. You may be stuck in traffic. Even for once and all, that traffic should jam and kill you and your stupid generation. You know that. Who the hell are you to tell me how to run my home? What are you doing to you? Get out, please. Don't get out! Then with the same kind of my husband's house. Don't you know how I don't need to go? You don't have no more sense of think just like the way I'm thinking. Daft. Hey, Daniel. Hey. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. I've been waiting for you. Daniel. You don't know me. You don't know the woman you are messing with.
Brother, what are you doing standing by the door? Don't tell me your wife locked you out of your own room. This your wife is biting more than she can chew, brother.
Jessica, do not talk about my wife that way, okay? This is family affair. Stay away from it.
Family affair. Brother, I am your family before you got married to her. We went to pay her bride price and I will not sit back and watch her mistreat you and insult you the way she has been doing.
Jessica, mind your business. Right?
Just stay away from this affair.
I can see you have become comfortable with the way she
This guy
has...
says, just shut up, go to your room. When you get married, you can attend to your own marriage the way you wish.
I opened this door because for once, you spoke like a married man. Not because I'm happy with you.
That's my guy. Look at him. Baller. Messi can play football. Come on. Look at him. Yeah. Move it. Come on. Oh, come on. You missed it, my guy. Whoa. Come on.
What's the meaning of this now? So why you messing the whole place? What was it? What is it? Are you stupid?
I have the mind to talk to you, isn't it? Huh?
You're very heartless human being. Kevin, do you know I'm pregnant? You don't even care if I was dying or not. What is your problem?
Very stupid. Pregnant for me.
Pregnant for you?
For me?
Yes!
Ah. You're pregnant for me.
Please, I'm pregnant for you.
You sound heartless. You sound heartless. You sound heartless. Sit down. Go down. You sound heartless, right?
No, you're not heartless. Kelvin, you're not heartless.
You're pregnant for me.
Kevin, please don't.
No, I'm pregnant for me.
For you.
Precious, you heard what the doctor said. I believe now you will leave that man alone. Please, I don't want you to see that man again. He almost killed you because you vomited in his house just for the baby he put in the womb. Pico, leave that man alone. Leave him alone.
Mama, I thought John was a monster, but this Kevin of a guy, he's worse. God, he's so heartless. Look at what he did to her. He almost killed her. Precious, you have to be careful. Ha. Mama, talk to your daughter.
Precious, please, allow the man to go. God will bring another man for you. A better person will come for you. That will cherish you, that will care for you, that will love you. Please, allow him to go. Don't see him again. You know, give him good. Do you hear me? Please, I'm your mother talking to you. Hear me.
No. Mama, he will not kill her.
Okay.
It will never happen.
Amen.
See, that Kevin of a guy, I have never, ever believed on his words. I know he's never genuine.
Look, enough, sis.
Easy.
Why are you attacking him?
Easy.
You're just attacking him. Have you left John? What is it? After everything he has done to you, you refuse to leave him. If something can happen to him, I cannot leave him now. Remove your eye from Kelvin. Pico, what is it? Because I should leave Kelvin. I'm
don't understand. You can marry me on a minute. You do what he's doing for me. Be coming down, no. Be coming down.
I have left John long ago. And I want you to do same. Okay? I don't want you to make same mistake that I made.
Were you not the one that told me that he took me to the hospital and cleared the bills? So what are you saying? He's a good man. Ha!
I'm just surprised at you. Just take a look at you. Do you know that you fainted? You almost died. Just thank God though. If not for Mama that rescued you. Now tell me, what is the need of money if you have died?
Mama, see, Kelvin is a very sweet soul. I'm telling you, he's a nice person. Eh?
Precious, are you stupid or senseless? Don't you see the danger ahead of you? Icharino, do you want to die? Because of that man? Leave him alone. Let him go.
Mama, you and Cynthia should just leave me. You guys should stop interfering in my matter. You guys should leave me now. I'm old enough to handle my matter. Eh? Okay, lady. As if my own is worse than Cynthia's own. Eh? The what Cynthia order? Ya want need the
My candid advice, if you like, go back to Kevin. If you like, use your brain. And if you don't like, do your worst.
Baby.
Yes, Lord.
You know I love you so much, right?
I know. And I love you more. I love you with my whole being without reserve.
And whatever I am doing it because I love you. I am tired of always having issues with you. So I came to this conclusion that I think you should get someone else to handle the massage section. Yes, baby, I can't stand seeing you with those women. I can't. I am your wife. And if I don't feel the way I am feeling right now, then I do not have feelings for you. I do not love you. And then maybe you can go ahead and hire a female secretary, you know.
Baby, is that what you want?
Yes, that's all I want. I think we will have peace.
Honestly, I was skeptical about bringing up such discussion, but if it is what you want, I'll gladly do that. Okay? Once it's going to bring peace and stability in our marriage, I will do it.
Really?
Oh yes, I miss our good times, our peaceful times and our lovely... Don't worry, I'll do that. Just that we have to factor in some extra expenses.
Thank you.
Baby, that's my woman. You know what I want?
Precious! Is anybody home? Is anybody home?
Who is that mad dog? Who is that mad dog? Calling my daughter's name. Kevin! Ebekisi, you have the gut to come to my house. Ebitise wami feti abubu. Ebekweba.
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Let that girl to choke you to death. You evil man. Keibe imeba. Oye bogi. Sikweba po. Acho me fugi. After it is the one me ife. Ichori bu nwa. Do you want to kill my daughter? What are you doing here?
Devil's handwork, Mama.
Devil.
I'm sorry, please.
I'm
sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I didn't know what happened. I didn't know what came over me, Mama.
Kevi Acho Zingi and one was Acho Zim. I don't want to see you with my daughter again.
I'm sorry now. I love her so much,
Love
Mama.
Huh? Love, all of you are warrior.
Mama, what is... What are you doing here?
Babe, Please, we can settle this.
Settle before we get back.
My friend, I'm completely sick person. Are you okay? Are you alright? A guy that beats you almost to stupor. You want to go back to him? My friend, will you get back? I want you to stop me not to go to my Precious. I mean not to go with him, eh? Your own is even worse than my own. Oh. What's that? Hey, Mama! Hey, Mama! Hey! Hey, Precious. Hey! Love him. Love him. You love him or you love the money? Hey! You love him or you love the money? No, Mama, just go. Go now, step out. Go and meet him. This time around, you will beat you and he will beat you to death. Baby. Mama, see, you want to keep Kelvin with that photo. It's not fair.
So, honey, do you have any other thing to say to her regards her job description?
Not at all. I mean, as long as she does her job very diligently, I do not have a problem with that.
Okay. It's all good.
Don't worry, Auntie. I promise I will never disappoint you.
Thank you. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, it's all right. You may go now. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, you're starting your job first thing tomorrow morning.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Baby, I think I am hungry.
Oh.
I mean, the baby is hungry.
I understand. Just wait a second, okay? Let me arrange some things.
Okay.
Mama.
Where's Precious?
Precious. I thought she's in the house.
No, I thought she came to your place. She's not in the house. No, cha. Since in your couple.
Mama. Yeah. Are you sure Precious have not gone to see that boy?
Obuno ifomere. Mune ege iti okpa nfu trouser. Ma obata eba. Mune ege eme ama. Ibe kusi mutakwa nifa. Onye kusiri ya?
Precious.
What a kidding.
Precious will not learn from my mistake.
Oh, Jesus.
That's really bad. A wise person learns from someone's mistake. Her own is becoming too much. What is wrong with her?
Munege meo. Koji ya bata. Ya jisia bata. Oga bata. I no. Ya bata.
Rose, you say $10,000? Come on now. Come on now. I love that. See.
Kelvin, do you mean you're not seeing me?
Like, tear me, I beg. No time to waste time, bro.
I'm talking to you.
Rose, that's my rage.
I am talking to you, Kelvin. Are you not seeing me?
Just tear me asap.
Can't you see I'm here?
You have my answer now. Also, I see the bee now, I beg. Bro, I'm so happy, bro. It's not fair. Well, I beg, TF me. No waste time, no dull moment.
Kelvin, I am talking to you. I am here. At least welcome me.
See that $10,000? Bro, do you know how much?
Are you being serious right now?
In Nigeria? Bro, come on.
Okay, fine.
Rich.
I'm leaving.
Hello? Hey. Come back here.
Okay, now you can see me, right? You can see me.
Pick this
I thought I was invisible.
Hey! Pick this money and meet me inside.
I should meet you inside, baby. I thought you were blind now. Now you can't see me. I should hurry up. I'm coming.
Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, no. Because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there. Oh, they could promise you the whole world in exchange for your life, in exchange for your life. Oh no. Be careful of the love of money. They make you go gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, gaga. Oti body, you want to cry for Benz instead of for Kada. Yeah, don't you know? Kind of life you live can haunt you back, haunt you well. You've put a price tag on you. Any man with money go come and chop you well. The love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, make you crazy gaga. The love of money, the love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, hey gaga, gaga. Oti body. Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, no. Because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there. Oh, they could promise you the whole world in exchange for your life, in exchange for your life. Oh no. Be careful of the love of money. They make you go gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, gaga. Oti body, you want to cry for Benz instead of for Kada. Yeah, don't you know? Kind of life you live can haunt you back, haunt you well. You've put a price tag on you. Any man with money go come and chop you well. The love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, make you crazy gaga. The love of money, the love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy gaga, hey gaga, gaga. Oti body. It's Revi.
Sis, you don't see why I don't want to leave him, right? I cannot lose him for any other thing. I'm telling you the honest truth. And now you expect me, Bre, I should not lose him to other girls. It's not possible. I cannot lose him. Hey, God. Now come on, if I go. Never. I cannot do that. Just we couldn't. I like it. Hi, Maka.
He's a giver.
Yes, so he is.
But abuses too much. Can't you see?
Am I complaining? Eh? Have I ever come to you and complained? No, now. I'm not complaining. See, let me tell you. It is better for me to cry and weep in the flying jets going to Dubai than to cry in poverty. I reject that. Oh my God.
Where did you say you kept the file? Because obviously it's not here. Where is it?
Honestly, sir, I'm very sure I dropped it here.
Then where? Where? I've searched the whole office. I can't find it. What's all this now?
Sir, please give me some time and I'll find it.
Just let me see what you can do.
And what in the green world is happening here? What's going on?
Merit, can you just understand this is an office? You do not shout like that.
No, I need to remove my glasses so I can be able to see clearly.
Merit, you should understand that this is an office. There are some manners you do not pull up.
An office? So you knew this place is an office? You knew it's an office? Yet you allowed this demented soul, this thing that is supposed to be chilling in the ocean with the sharks, you allowed her to be giving you dog in your office. You're a shameless man! You're a very stupid company.
Mary! Watch your words! Okay? How could I be doing that in my office? Listen, I'm not in my right frame of mind right now. I'm searching for a particular file. Alright?
Listen.
I don't want to get...
Hush up! Hush up there! What are you doing that for? What are you doing this for family?
Hey.
Because I just can't believe it. You're asking for another your time. Wait till you do. What are you doing with my husband?
I beg your pardon, man. What did you just say I was doing?
Jesus wept. Holy Moses. What did you just say? Did you just fall? You bet. No, because I'm not started tearing you into two. But I listen my husband. Are you a bad person? Are you crazy? Are you come and take come on, are you
Security!
Are you crazy?
Security, do something there!
I will deal with you. I'm waiting for you. Come on. What was the meaning of that nonsense? What happened back there? Why did you ask your security to take me out of the compound? I need to understand it, Daniel.
Merit, can't you trust your husband for once?
I should trust my husband.
Merit, I love you and will never cheat on you.
Oh, please shut that hole on your face. If I shut it for you with a hot slap. Liar! Look at you! All you do is keep cheating. Cheat and cheat all the time and you keep lying. Swear that you were not cheating without your secretary. Swear. Swear.
Merit.
Now you're speechless. What was I expecting? That's guilt conscience. It's written all over you. Look at you. You can't even look at me eyeball to eyeball properly. Cheat! Cheating bastard. A very stupid man.
Are you really thinking so low of me? Like, are you really looking down on me? Merit, you have everything a man wants in a woman. How could you ever imagine that I, your husband, will be looking at that loved for what?
Well, it is
Is her beauty anywhere close to yours?
I don't care. Because it is quite obvious to me that the thing in between your legs knows no difference. Look at you. You think I am one of those women that you can be messing with? You were busy sleeping with your own secretary. You see this thing both of you have been doing? The day I will catch both of you, I will bait her with carbon dioxide 404. Carbon means with mistake. That's what I would use to beat her that day. I would help her beat that her stupid chronic vagina that she cannot keep to herself. As for you, I will deal with you. You think of those women you can marry and mess with? I'm a Gen Z bad wife. I will show you shaggy.
He's searching for a file I needed to send to the ministry.
I will deal with you. You are the secretary. I will deal with you. You think because I am pregnant you can mess with me, right? I will deal with you. I will show you shaggy bands.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I couldn't sleep well last night. After what happened yesterday, the embarrassment still cling to me, in as much as I tried to forget it. But I couldn't. Last night, I thought about it all night. Here is my resignation letter, sir.
Resignation what?
Hello? Yes. If you love and value your marriage, you better rush down to your husband's office. He's with a woman having fun.
Eh? Eh? Daniel? Wait. Hello? Hello? Eh? Daniel? With another woman again. Keep my khaki. Keep my khaki. Hey! They will hear from you today. They don't know you. Daniel again. Who is that decomposed element? I need to see that rejected soul that had the guts to come to my husband's office. Where is that bitch? Where is that whore?
Listen, put yourself together, okay? I love my wife, I can't cheat on my wife. Come on, stop.
Please, just this once, and I promise to pay for you for the rest of my life. Let me just have a taste of what they are
Stop it, stop it. You know. Excuse me.
I am waiting for you, Daniel. You will come back and meet me. Hey, Rabosh. Gandusa. In the Bosque house. They will hear from you. I am waiting for you and your whole Daniel. You will hear from me.
Can we just talk like adults for once, Merit?
Oh, now you want us to talk like adults. You know what thing I hate about your shameless self? It's the way you lie. Nigga, you lie for a living. Now tell me, what else do you want to tell me now? No, bring it on, you just want to lie, right? Even when I cut you pants down.
Merit,
Jesus
listening to you is an insult to my person. Can you just picture who you are talking about? How could I possibly have something to do with that girl? She's not my class.
Really? Wow. You mean Mr. Ding Dang has class? Wow. Amazing. You know the most painful part of it, the one that I cannot even start myself imagining, is the fact that you made this same girl mourn the way the way you make me mourn. You know what? I am done.
Listen, it's all a setup and you're falling for it. She was mourning as if she knew you were coming. Didn't you? Merit. Just... Merit.
Brother, what is it?
Simple. Jesus. Hey.
Listen, don't you ever in your shredded, retarded, stinking life ask me that kind of stupid question again. To make myself very clear, because you knew very well that your brother was cheating on me, yet you did nothing about it. Psychopathic bastard.
It has not gotten to this, right? I mean, it's all a setup. We can figure it out. Okay?
Get my brother out now! Mary! Get him out! Mary! Brother, what is happening?
My new secretary set me up. Hi.
What is love without trust?
I understand how
What
you
is
feel,
love
but you need to
without
calm
trust?
down.
Who
She will
am
calm down
I
later.
without you? I stand by the promises I made to
Brother!
No one
Brother!
will ever take your place in my
Brother, wait!
life. Yeah, but
Brother!
now you see me like a stranger. Oh no, now you think I'm a cheater. Yeah, the trust is gone, the bond is weakened. I wish we could go back to the way we used to be. Insecurities, it's breaking us apart. Insecurities, baby, put your trust in me.
Why is this man proving stubborn? We can't give up. We'll continue to push him. We can't give up. Anything he wants, we will give it to him. God. Hey! This man is requesting for a video call. What? He's requesting for a video call. She fit one.
Dan, are you going to see her?
No. She made her decision. Let her live with it. Gosh, Marital is not the first married woman to be treating my brother the way she has been doing.
Well, ask me, Dan. I think you just have to follow what Jessica said. Not just going begging her all the time. At least give her a break so you can see her reactions.
Exactly my point. Every time she threatens my brother as if she's doing me a favor of being married to him. Who is all this now?
Who could be this person? Who is this girl? Who gave her that impetus to have gone far? What kind of prank is this? Eh?
Honestly, the way everything went, you could tell it was well calculated and perfectly executed.
Too bad. Babe, there's this client of mine that is proving stubborn. And I want you to help me talk to him. Can you do that?
Yeah.
I told you. I told you she can.
Are you sure you can do it?
Mm-hmm. I can.
See, Precious, we have implicit confidence in your ability. Okay? You believe you can actually do this for us. Please, don't fail us. Please.
Okay, no problem.
And again, pretend to be the model that we've been talking about.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Sure.
Okay, good. That's my This is it now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me set this for you.
Okay.
Did you see that now? So once you tap this place now, the video call will start.
Okay.
And don't make mistake, okay?
Sure, I won't.
Be very careful, please. We'll start the video call. Okay? Please don't fall. Don't fall my hand, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If you know you cannot do it, just tell me.
I can do it.
Don't spoil this work for me, I beg.
Please.
I beg.
Please. The success of this business depends on you now.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
I trust you. That's my baby. Alright, let go.
You're making noise. About to be. Okay. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I'm the model you've been asking of. Yeah, you've been chatting my management. Yeah. They said you're demanding for a video call from me to know if I'm real or not. So, you have it? Okay. Are you cool now? Okay. You can see me now, right? Alright, thank you. So tell me, when are you booking my ticket? Tomorrow next? Tomorrow? Okay. You can't wait to see me, right? I can wait too. You love what you see? You like what you see? Huh? Alright. Don't worry, I'll give it to you. Okay. You love my breast? Ooh, I'm gonna pop it out. Don't worry, I'll bring it out for you, okay? Don't worry. Alright, thank you. Alright. So oh, okay. I love you. See you tomorrow. That's my man. Alright, love you.
Baby gone! Baby!
I told you now.
You see what I keep talking about, you stand up, sir.
Oh, my baby girl! The Benjamin is on the way, baby. Now what I'm gonna give you on shit, okay? Take a sip. You don't like it? You don't like it?
calling again. Yes, hello. You are the owner of the phone? Well, I've been waiting for your call since. Just tell me where you are, I'll bring it right away. Oh, it's okay, I'll do just that, okay? Alright.
Small. So you see now, just look at it. Short thing, just match it small. Yeah.
So where's the break?
Break is the first one.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
So short thing.
Yeah, if you want to move the camera, that's big.
Short thing. Then this style.
So if I want to wipe this place now, how will I wipe it? Okay.
Did you see that?
Nice. Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Okay.
So, then this gear now. This gear now. This is arc. This is reverse. This is neutral. Where will she drive? Where will she stop and come down? Stop and come down. It's just there, right? So what will happen? Do you understand everything?
Yes, I do.
Right?
Yes.
So stops.
Now, Fresh, it's time for you to go practice what you want.
See, don't fall my hand, though. Babe, do not fall my hand. Did you understand everything?
I understand you.
Don't go and scratch my car. If you do, you'll pay for it. You know how much I bought this car?
I'll start from here, right?
Take it to drive.
To drive?
Go down, take it down.
I should match the brake first?
Yeah, match the brake first.
This one,
The first
right?
one is the brake.
The first one is the brake?
Yeah, the first one.
I'll touch you.
The first one
This
is
one?
the brake, yeah.
Okay.
The second one is the throttle.
Okay, so I
Just
should
match
step on
the
it?
Yeah, the brake. Then
I've stepped on it.
carry, take it down. Now, to drive.
To drive?
Yeah.
Okay, so drive now.
Okay. So move.
I believe you. Agba driver. Let's go.
Hold the steering very well, okay? Baby.
Let's go.
Okay?
I'll shock you.
I trust you. You're fast now.
Easy. Just keep going. Small. Keep going. You can do it, baby.
You trying?
Agba driver. I trust you.
Okay. Remove your leg from the brake.
Yeah, I've moved.
Just keep going.
Yeah, I'm going, baby.
Slow and steady. You get it.
Yeah, my phone is ringing.
No,
Let's just concentrate on learning.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, Chris. Serious. Okay, just come in.
Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there.
Not now. But you know later, okay? Not now.
Mama, this is very sweet.
Very sweet too. Atoka. Wana agulu ko kaka ndi kita. Chete makuku muna gwa budi. Maka wanne gi. Precious. Precious want to kill me. Precious chori ni BP. Emre mi hojo we mo Precious. Ogene. Precious here. Precious there. Ogene.
Mama, I have told you to calm down. Eh? Forget about Precious. She's not the only daughter you have. My father is no longer alive. You have all I've got. Leave Precious before she will give you high BP.
Hey, Mama! Hey! My sister! My sicky!
Precious.
Sister! Eh?
What is happening?
Oh my God!
Whose car is this?
This car key you're saying is my car key, and Kelvin bought me a car. The same Kelvin, Mama, that you nearly use a car to kill for me.
Kelvin?
Kelvin, Yes, Mama. He bought me a car. Yes. Oh my God.
Are you trying to say that Kevin bought you a car or you're driving Kevin's car? Which one?
Are you doubting me, Sissy? I know you're jealous of me. Just go and check it out. Go and check it out. Hey, I am not a cow now. I'm going to paint this town. blue and black.
They never see anything. Take it easy.
Mama, I said, Mama, when I was nobody, when I was using like this Benz, it's one Mama, you see this car key? I'm going to drive you as the same round the star. We are going to paint it blue and black. Hey, Mama! Clap for me now. Hey, Mama! Kevin Sugini, cool down. Sissy, let me bless you because you need to be blessed. One name, you know I love you. I'm gonna wait. Sissy, you need to take this money. You know you need it. You're my sister. You need this money very well. Forget the pretense. Hold it. Yeah, okay, go. Just use good, yeah, you know, Tago. Freshen up. You start get something good for yourself. Mama!
Mom.
Arrive, go. Arrive, go. Kita. Come. Mama, let me go inside. Predator.
Precious.
Hey, congratulations to her. I hope what you want here. Because see that Kevin of a guy. Enjoy your cup.
I'm scared though.
Stop thinking about Precious. This one is beautiful.
Oh, Mama, my God, no.
Hey. I'm back on it.
So you're leaving me here all alone?
Baby, I am so sorry.
Hey, come on, baby. This is not the time to talk about this, okay?
Baby, it wasn't intentional. I didn't know they drugged my drink.
Come on, baby. Just keep your head down, all right? Have some rest. Sorry. Just put yourself together, okay? Come on. You need to rest and get better, okay? I'm actually seated here waiting for you to at least get up so I can undress you, take you into the bedroom, shower you, bring you out, lay you back on this bed to rest more. I've already made you feel right in the kitchen. Don't worry, okay? So just keep your head down a little more, okay? We'll talk about whatever later. Moreover, I know you are imperfect. Okay? When I took you to the altar of God, I vowed to love your perfect and imperfection. You're my wife, and you will always be my wife. No going back. We're here together, in forever. Okay?
I love you.
I love you more. Ah! Easy. What is it?
I don't get it. B, I am innocent, trust me. I don't even know how. I know they drugged my drink so they can be able to take my nude pictures.
This guy must be very stupid.
Finished.
Hey, come on, baby. Come on. Do not allow this get to you, okay? He's very, very stupid. Don't worry. Just. Is not the number calling?
Yes.
Don't worry. Yes, hello? You're very, very stupid.
Yes, this is the husband talking. If you like, send her news to the whole world to see. I do not care. She's my wife and will always be my wife. Nonsense! Who sent you? Are you mad? Just pray I do not see you face to face because I am going to deal with you. Onyala! Onyala! Get out! Get out! Get out! Look at this. Okay? Pay attention to these people. Okay?
My lovely husband. Praise and Jessica. I am really sorry for all the stress and pains I've caused you all. I don't even have the right to sit with you guys because I'm not worth it. In as much as it is so painful to hear, the fact still remains that I've lost my baby. But I know I'm going to take in again. I know I'm going to get pregnant. And I have another child. But I want you all to find a place in your heart. Please. I beg you, find a place in your heart to forgive. I am sorry. I was just jealous. I didn't want to lose my husband. I didn't want him to leave me just the way he left his girlfriend to get married to me. I was obsessed. Please, my husband, forgive me. I love you so much, Daniel. And you know it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, please.
It's okay, it's okay. I understand you were, scared about the kind of job I do. You were scared of losing me to one of my clients just the way I met you and all of that. But I want to tell you something. I didn't just come to you because I want to have carnal knowledge of you and all of that. But the truth is, the first time I set my eyes on you, I fell in love and I chose to love you forever. It's okay. You don't even need to apologize because I've forgiven you long ago, even before you asked. Stop crying, please.
Dan is a good man and an upright person. That ladies or women are coming after him just because of his kindness, not because of his sexual prowess, okay?
Sorry. I overstepped my boundaries and I'm ready to face it all now. I just want another chance, please.
Wifey, stop crying. I'm so happy you're back to your normal self now. I missed you so much. Especially my brother here.
On my baby love. I hate to see you tears, huh? Don't worry. We'll still have another chance. Okay?
Big bro.
That's my man. True love, man.
Cynthia, we have done series of tests, but all negative.
Mom, I'm beginning to suspect something.
What could that be?
Mama, Kevin is not genuine.
Kevin?
Yes, his money is not pure. Yes, Mama.
Precious boyfriend?
Kevin has used Precious.
God forbid.
You don't need to say God forbid, Mama. Can't you see? All the hospitals that we have been to, they cannot even say what the ailment is all about.
How can it be? What is this? Okay, what is your advice then? Hey.
Let's take her to the church.
Church?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. We'll take her to the church.
Babe, where are you now? I'm in my street now. Where are you? I can't see you. I said number 45, Mokoro Street. That's where I am. But I can't see you now. Where are you?
Hold it there! Mr. Kevin, you are under arrest. Move like this! Listen to me!
I don't understand.
Go like this.
What is happening?
Go like this man! I say you are under arrest on the offense of fraud.
Fraud?
Yes. And I advise you to remain silent for whatever you say or do.
Officer, I don't know what you're
talking about. I'm still talking.
I don't know what you're talking
about.
What do you mean fraud? Fraud how?
Listen to me.
I'm a businessman, officer. Move! Officer, can you stop this? Stop this!
Will you move?
Officer, I'm innocent. What bit of this now?
Move! I said move.
Officer, move!
Take him to that car. Put him inside that.
What?
Move!
What is love without trust? What is love without trust? Who am I without you? I stand by the promises I made to you. No one will ever take your place in my life. Yeah, but now you see me like a stranger. Oh no. Now you think I'm a cheater. Yeah, the trust is gone, the bond is weakened. I wish we could go back to the way we used to be. It's breaking us apart. Insecurities. Baby, put your trust in me.